Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming you control the Instagram account and can modify settings. That's critical. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and set a strong password so your findings matter. Next, open Instagram on a desktop and launch browser developer tools to inspect network and storage data for your own session. Make sure to record the time and the device you're using. These basics let you proceed safely and reproducibly without touching other people's accounts. Now collect the session signals that form a fingerprint for your device. Start with account login activity to list devices, IP addresses, and timestamps. Take screenshots. Then, in Developer Tools, inspect cookies, local storage, and any WebRTC candidates to see local IPs. Also capture HTTP headers like user agent, accept language, time zone, and screen resolution. These pieces together explain how platforms recognize a session. Understanding them helps you harden your own. Finally, analyze the collected data. Compare the current fingerprint against previous sessions to find discrepancies in IP, user agent, or stored tokens. If you see unfamiliar entries, revoke those sessions immediately, change your password, and rotate two-factor methods. Make sure to document what changed and why so you can monitor future access. If your tests show inconsistent results, clear cache, retry in a private window, or test through a trusted VPN. These steps resolve many false positives and confirm real threats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.